Diaper Hero Episode 7. Baby is smelly? Good morning! Sun is shining. Toys are ready. Playtime begins. Wait. Do you smell that? Diaper Hero crawls. He stops. He sniffs. Teddy Max tilts his head. Quacky flaps, then freezes. Oh! Twins also smell. Something is strange. Door opens slightly. A new baby crawls in. He smiles. He giggles. He looks happy. But wait, sniff, sniff. Oh no! Smelly baby crawls by. Teddy Max falls over. Quacky flaps away. Oh no! Blocks fall. Twins fall. Wait, why is everyone moving away? Diaper Hero rolls a ball. Smelly baby claps. Oh, they play. Wait, smell again. Oh no, no, no! Diaper Hero pauses. He sniffs. Diaper Hero wipes toys. Still smelly. Quacky splashes water. Still smelly. Teddy Max hides. Oh no! Twins laugh. Quacky tries to help. Quacky waddles in. Quack flaps hard. Maybe wind will help? Flap, flap. Wait. Oh no! The smell follows. Quacky spins. Quacky runs. Twins don't know what to do. They look at each other confused. Diaper Hero wipes the floor. Still smelly. He wipes Teddy Max. Still smelly. He wipes twins. Smelly, smelly, smelly. He wipes Quacky. Wait, still smelly. Smelly baby giggles. He wiggles. He pats his diaper. Wait. Oh, Diaper Hero looks. He understands. Baby needs a diaper change. Oh no, diaper! Diaper Hero stops. He freezes. Oh no, he looks down. Sniff. Uh-oh. Diaper Hero shakes it off. He waves Teddy Max. He claps. He smiles. Wait, smell again? Oh no, no, no! Quacky waddles over. Sniff, sniff. Quack? Oh, Quacky flaps back. Wait, two babies? Two smells? Oh no! Diaper Hero looks at Smelly Baby, then looks at himself. Oh, both diapers need help. Double trouble. Everyone waits for Mommy. Teddy Max sits far. Quacky waits with Teddy Max. Twins hold each other. Diaper Hero waves both hands. He points to Smelly Baby. He points to himself. Mommy! Mommy! Wait, footsteps. Oh, two diapers. Clean wipes. Fresh diapers. One, then two. Ah, clean, happy. Smell is gone. Hooray! Diaper Hero smiles. Smelly Baby smiles bigger. Teddy Max comes back. Quacky flaps happily. Twins clap. Hooray! But wait, tomorrow new baby will come. Who will it be? One thing is certain, Diaper Hero will be ready.